Welcome to part 36 of our Basic Electrical Engineering series. Today, we will explore the principles of parallel resonance and how it compares to series configurations. A parallel resonant circuit connects an inductor and a capacitor in parallel. This specific configuration is known as a tank circuit, which is capable of blocking specific frequencies. In parallel resonance, the circuit maximizes its impedance. The maximum impedance is defined by the formula L divided by C times R. Consequently, the circuit offers strong resistance to the line current. Because the impedance is at its maximum, the line current drops to its lowest possible point. This effectively restricts the total power flow through the circuit. At this point, the power factor reaches unity. The circuit acts as a current magnifier, where the internal circulating current is significantly higher than the line current. This graph illustrates the relationship between impedance and current relative to frequency. Note that impedance peaks at the resonant frequency, while the current reaches its minimum. Engineers classify these as either acceptor or rejector circuits. A series circuit acts as an acceptor, while a parallel circuit serves as a rejector for the resonant frequency. This table summarizes the key differences between series and parallel resonance, covering impedance, current, power factor, magnification effects, and their primary applications. In industrial grids, parallel resonant trap filters are used to manage harmful harmonic frequencies. By presenting high impedance to these frequencies, the filter cleans the power and protects the grid. To summarize, parallel resonance is a critical tool for system protection. By maximizing impedance and blocking unwanted frequencies, it ensures reliable and clean power distribution.